I will now demonstrate how to record purchase credit notes to Sage Accounting, which is also Sage Business Cloud. To add purchase credit notes, you need to access a specific screen, and you can access that in two ways. Number one, you can go to purchase invoices, and I covered purchase invoices in the previous video. Instead of clicking new invoice, click on the drop down list and click on new credit note. You're then taken to the screen that you need, which is the new purchase credit note screen. You can access this screen another way by going to purchase credit notes. This is the purchase credit notes screen, which is very similar to many other screens on Sage Accounting. We have this heading, we have the list, the table, etc. There's nothing on the list, nothing in it, because I haven't recorded any purchase credit notes yet. But if I click on new credit note to the top right, then I'm taken to that same screen, new purchase credit note. We simply fill out this information, and we get this information from the credit note we received from the supplier. So let's say this credit note was received from example supplier 1 Ltd. We put in the date of the credit note, the supplier reference, that's generally the credit note reference, which is very similar to an invoice reference. So a credit note number. Let's just make that up. Cred 456987. Another reference. Sometimes this reference is the invoice number or numbers that the credit note needs to be applied to or allocated to. A description. We can just put in blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. If I can type it. The ledger account. So this is the nominal account the credit note is going to be applied to. Generally, this is going to be the same ledger account as what the invoice or original invoices were allocated to. Quantity, price. I'm going through this very quickly because I've been through similar screens many times in this course for customer invoices, sales credit notes, and purchase invoices. So that's been completed. I then have the same options available to me as I covered in the previous video. So I can save this as a draft and come back later. I can save and close. I can save and have a blank canvas to record another credit note, or I can save and print. Let's go save. So this credit note has been added, this purchase credit note. If I go to the purchase credit note screen, you can see I have one transaction now showing, one record showing. For example, supplier 1 Ltd for the amount that I just entered. If we go to the supplier's account, you'll see that the credit note is also showing on their account. So example, supplier 1. And you'll see on this account we have this purchase credit note for 60, 9th of the 10th. This is the credit note I just entered. So that's how you do it. It's very straightforward, very simple. If you've taken this course all the way through, this should be relatively easy because it's very similar to other aspects of Sage, such as raising sales credit notes. Let's just do one more. Example supplier 2 this time. We fill in the details. Put in a description. Let's just do 10 this time. Click save. Now we have 2 purchase credit notes on the system.